We begin our live broadcast at the Milimani Law Courts, where we are currently having the judgment in regards to the death and the murder of Sharon Otieno in 2017. The three co-accused, Okoth Obado, Michael Oyamo, and Caspar Obiero, under Justice Cecilia Githua. Let's cross over to the courtroom.
The investigations, PW 18. This is a Mary Mogire, recovered the items she found at the scene and prepared an inventory of the same. The items included items of clothing and open shoes belonging to Sharon, 2 used condoms, 3 sachets of trust condoms, 2 cover packets of trust condoms, and a sachet of some illicit brew. PW 18, Inspector Mary Mogire and PC Sami Midiki, after those preliminary investigations, collected the body and took it to Rachuonyo District Hospital mortuary for preservation. On the 8th of September 2018, according to the evidence of PW 29, he identified the late Sharon's body to the government pathologist, Dr. Johansen Oduor, PW1, who conducted an autopsy on the body. In his testimony, PW1 recalled that on examining the body, he noted multiple external injuries consisting of 2 slash wounds under the right and left ear, and a total of 7 deep stab wounds, one at Sharon's abdominal area, and the others at several areas of her back. After his examination, he opined that the deceased's cause of death was severe hemorrhage due to penetrating force trauma with features of manual strangulation. He documented his findings in a postmortem report, which he produced as Exhibit 1. In the course of his examination, he also noted that the deceased uterus had a dead fetus, which was 28 weeks old. The stab wound to Sharon's abdomen had penetrated to the uterus, gone through the fetus's abdomen, and came out through the umbilicus. He also prepared and signed a postmortem form in respect of the fetus, which he produced as Exhibit 1B. Upon cross-examination by Mr. Kilukumi, Senior Counsel for the first accused, PW1 confirmed that with that kind of injury, the fetus did not have any chance of being born. As reports in both the mainstream and social media platforms started circulating regarding the circumstances in which Sharon and her unborn baby were found dead, and given the public interest the reports had generated, a team of officers from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations headquarters, that is DCI headquarters in Nairobi, was dispatched to Homa Bay to take over investigations into the matter. This team of officers included Chief Inspector Nicholas Konara Olesena, who testified as PW42, the last prosecution witness, and he narrated to the court how investigations in this case were undertaken by the investigating team from DCI headquarters. According to his evidence, together with his co-investigators, they arrived in Homa Bay on the 6th of October 2018 and commenced investigations. They found their second accused already under arrest. In the course of their investigations, they recorded and reviewed statements from persons who have testified as prosecution witnesses. And this included PW21, the health records and information officer at KC Teaching and Referral Hospital. This witness, that is PW21, confirmed that the medical records allegedly obtained by the second accused, issued by KTRH, did not emanate from the hospital, and they were in fact forgeries. He also recalled that he had obtained the forged medical records, that is PW42, claimed that he obtained these forged medical records at Oriri police station after the second accused had presented them there while making a report about his alleged abduction on the evening of that September 2018. PW42 also recalled having visited Gracia Hotel in the course of their investigations in a bid to obtain CCTV footage about the happenings of the 3rd of September. But he was unable to obtain any, as the device for storage of CCTV images, that is the DVR, was faulty. His investigations also led to recovery of motor vehicle KCL 481K, which had been used in the abduction of the late Sharon and PW9.
That is Justice Cecilia Githua there giving her verdict in regards to the death, to the murder of Sharon Otieno, the former Rongo student, and in a case that former Governor Okoth Obado and 2 others have been charged with murder. Just allow me to point out that the case has taken up almost 8 years or so, and the reason being several delays occasioned also by the COVID-19 pandemic